Hey everybody, it's Nate from Integrity Cleaning. I want to share with you guys the biggest tips and tricks of the trade. This is like seriously one of the most amazing techniques you can use for carpet cleaning. Anybody can do this. You can do this at home. You can do this with professional equipment like we have. And I wanted to share this with you guys because this is just so important for everybody to understand. This tip has been passed down from generations, and there's only a select few professional carpet cleaners that even know about it. And it's been a trick used for almost 100 years. So it's super amazing. It's very secretive. Anyone who does know about this does not share it at all. So I want you guys to use this tip wisely, share it with only your closest friends, and I'm gonna show you what it does. So this carpet here has already been cleaned. And I walked on it a little bit, so there's not some pretty lines, but I want to share with you guys how you can prevent this carpet that doesn't have any stains on it. You can prevent it from ever getting stains again. It will absolutely seal your carpet for life. You won't have any stains ever again. You will never need to replace your carpet as long as you vacuum thoroughly in between the time frame that you vacuum, obviously. So let me show you what that tip is. This is really important. Here it is. So this is avocado oil. I like to use the one by Chosen Foods. What you want to do, once the stains are gone, or even before, this actually will remove the stains too, is you'll want to put this in a spray bottle and then spray your carpet over the top with it and stay off of about 10 minutes. Here's the amazing thing. The reason why it lasts so long is because avocado oil is built for high heat. So when you clean your carpets again and have them done, it won't actually remove this coating at all because it's built for high heat. It's pretty amazing, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly what to do. And keep in mind, when you're using this, don't cheap out and get the canola oil. Don't get anything with an aerosol can. You really want this to last and you want it to work well. Spend the extra couple bucks, get something that's 100% pure, and use avocado oil because, truth be told, avocado oil is better for you and it's better for your carpet. So I'm gonna show you what we're doing here. I've already mixed up some here, and we're just gonna go ahead and do a light coating. And I wanna show you guys, it doesn't have to be a very thick coating, but you want it to be light enough. And then you just wanna stay off for about 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and spray this here. Just real light, just like that, and kind of back up as you go, right? You don't need much. There we go, perfect. And then you wanna just let that sit for about 10 minutes. And then you're good to go. Honestly, it lasts pretty much forever. And one last thing I wanted to say is April Fools! Please do not put avocado oil on your carpet. It will not help in any way. I sprayed water down. I promise this will not help your carpet, but I had to pull an April Fool's joke on you guys. And to my wife, I promise I didn't waste any of your avocado oil. Have a great day, guys.